Many states in the United States require vehicles to have front license plates. This video guides you through installing one on your Tesla Model Y, ensuring legal compliance and helping you avoid potential fines. We'll cover everything from the necessary tools to precise centering techniques. Even if your Model Y came without pre-drilled holes, this guide will work for you. Tesla provides an official license plate bracket kit for front license plate installation on Model Y vehicles. The kit, part number 102764700A, includes a durable stainless steel bracket, necessary screws, and a centering template to ensure proper alignment. While Tesla's official kit is recommended for compatibility and quality, viable aftermarket alternatives are available on platforms like Amazon or eBay. These alternatives are often more affordable, but it's important to verify the quality and material of third-party brackets to ensure durability and proper fit. Before you begin installing the front license plate on your Tesla Model Y, gather these essential tools and materials. First, you'll need your chosen bracket kit, which could be Tesla's official kit or a third-party option. A drill with a 1/4-inch bit is required if your Model Y's bumper isn't pre-drilled. You'll need a screwdriver for securing the bracket. A tape measure will help ensure accurate positioning. Masking tape is useful for marking and protecting surfaces. The centering template, if included in your kit, helps with precise alignment. For optional, but recommended items, silicone sealant protects against weather, and a level tool ensures the plate is properly aligned. Begin by parking your Model Y on a level surface to ensure accurate measurements and safe working conditions. Next, clean the area on the front bumper where the license plate will be mounted. Remove any dirt, wax, or debris to ensure proper adhesion and marking. Use masking tape to protect the paint and provide a clean surface for marking your measurements and bracket position. If your Model Y has pre-drilled holes from the factory, you can proceed to mounting. If not, you'll need to drill pilot holes in the next step. If your Model Y doesn't come with pre-drilled holes for the license plate bracket, you'll need to create them carefully. Start by placing the centering template on the front bumper to ensure perfect alignment. The template helps position the bracket so the license plate will be centered horizontally and at the correct height. The ideal height for the license plate is typically 12 to 14 inches from the ground to the bottom edge of the plate. This measurement ensures compliance with most state regulations and maintains proper visibility. Use the template to mark this position accurately. Once marked, use a 1/4-inch drill bit to create pilot holes. These smaller holes will guide the bracket screws and prevent the bumper material from cracking. Drill slowly and carefully, making sure not to drill too deep, just enough to accommodate the screw length without penetrating the bumper's inner structure. Now we'll secure the bracket to the bumper using the provided screws. It's important to avoid over-tightening, as this can crack the bumper material. Tesla brackets typically use self-tapping screws that are specifically designed for composite materials. If you're using sealant for added weather protection, apply a small amount to the back of the bracket before mounting. Now slide the license plate into the mounted bracket. Make sure it fits securely in place. Use a level tool to ensure the plate is perfectly level. Place the level on top of the plate and adjust until the bubble is centered. Alternatively, you can use a smartphone app with a built-in level feature. This provides a digital alternative to the physical tool. Carefully center the plate horizontally by measuring from the vehicle's center line. Ensure it's aligned perfectly for both appearance and legal requirements. Precise centering is crucial for aesthetics and legal compliance. Proper alignment helps avoid fines in areas that require license plates to be clearly visible and correctly positioned. Now for the final checks and important considerations. First, double-check the stability of the plate and bracket to ensure everything is secure. Next, take a short test drive at low speeds, up to 30 miles per hour, to check for any vibrations or loose parts. Finally, apply silicone sealant around the edges of the bracket for added waterproofing. Remember to consult your local DMV for specific regulations regarding license plate placement and visibility.